You got concrete on the way and you just want to pull a tool out of the trailer that will work. And the MX Fuel Screed does that every single time. The power it has is incredible.
The MX Fuel Vibratory Screed has just as much power as gas powered.
The MX Fuel Vibratory Screed works great with all size bars. The 12-foot, the 16-foot, the power itself is incredible.
The entire MX Fuel series brings new technology to old-style equipment.
Using the MX Fuel Screed, it's cleaner, guys aren't breathing those fumes in, and it's dependable.
The MX Fuel Vibratory has the advantage of no oil changes, no gas, no fumes, the noise reduction. It's altogether a lot easier inside especially.
All you gotta do is just put the battery in it, turn the button on, and here we go. That's it.
The lifetime of the battery was just clutch.
We poured 12,000 square foot and we didn't have to change the battery on it. It did its job with one. We would use it again.
The MX Fuel battery lasts just as long as the tank of gas. That's excellent, and you're saving on fuel.
It held up to any gas screed I've ever used. It's very durable and pulled quite a pile back.
You don't have to worry about if anything breaks down on it mechanically.
The MX Fuel Screed is very responsive through the trigger. It's nice to be able to vary the throttle. I think it's great that the MX Fuel whole line is all the same battery. It's like having one fuel tank that operates a bunch of different pieces of equipment.
This is a game changer. Watching how smooth the surface gets and being able to bow float it right after that, it looks like glass.
I feel the MX Fuel Vibratory Screed is very dependable and you can count on it on your pours.